I have absolutely no doubts to say that this session is going to be really interesting for you in terms of marketing automation using plugins and ChatGPT. All of us know that marketing automation and AI are at the forefront of majority of the marketing activities that we're doing today. Now, for simple layman terms, trying to explain these things in simple layman terms, here is how it goes. Marketing automation basically makes your redundant tasks easy to handle by automating them. You don't have to do you don't have to do them yourselves every time. So basically, it's like automating stuff that you have been doing that you don't want to be doing, right? So you have all these manual activities, whether it is sending a welcome email, whether it is increasing your bids, whether it is increasing your whether it is activating certain things, whether it is drafting those emails, whether it is writing those emails, whether it is sending out those emailers to certain segments, whatever it is, marketing automation basically is here to automate your redundant tasks on a daily basis. AI, on the other hand, is a learning methodology. It is a learning system. It is a very, very efficient learning system that tries to enhance your AI capability. It takes your marketing automation activities to the next level. Marketing automation basically needs a trigger and a workflow. If X happens, then do Y, is how marketing automation works. Now, given this circumstance, what AI does is if X happens, if X happens, do Y, but at this scale, keeping this in mind. So that is how AI enhances your capabilities of marketing automation. Basically, the reason I'm so excited to bring this to you is if you look at your screens, there is a scenario that I'm trying to highlight here, and the scenario is very simple. There is a user who clicks on a Google ad, he goes to the landing page, does nothing, comes back, and there's a remarketing ad that gets shown to him again. He gets curious, he clicks on the retargeting ad, he goes to the website, puts in, signs up and raises and makes an inquiry. The website starts sending him frequent nurturing emails, trying to educate him about the product. He finally gives in, gets interested, and starts making a purchase on the website. So, this is a simple situation. Now, in this situation, what we're going to try and highlight is where does AI come into play and where does marketing automation come into play? That's exactly what we're going to be looking at, right? So, to demonstrate that whole thing, I have made a very, very simple diagram here. So, let me increase the font so that you kind of get it. Okay, user sees the Google ad, user visits the website, user exits with no action, remarketing ads are run, user clicks on the ad again, user makes an inquiry on the website. So marketing automation workflows are triggered, articles are sent to educate the user, while on the other hand, AI tries and analyzes the behavior, takes the help of marketing automation, takes it to the next level by personalizing the content, by sending it to the user depending upon his behaviors, his demographics, etc. Then the user clicks on a link in the article and user purchases the product. This is a very simple example, right? Now, let us see where AI and our marketing automation come into play in detail, and let's also try and understand what they are doing at each of these stages. Now, here is a surprise element that I've been holding on to. The image that you see here on the screen is just made using a ChatGPT plugin called Eraser. This is not something that I have made. This image is not made by me. This image is a result of a text prompt that I fed into ChatGPT, and this is the output. I have not designed anything. I have not even opened another app to design this. This is an image that ChatGPT spit out based upon my text query. This is something which is really, really, really fascinating. Not just that, I was not happy with the way this was made, so I tried and figured out a few other plugins. But I think this is where I was slightly convinced that I was slightly happy with the output. And this image, not the text element here, also the text element, but the image that you see here is made with a ChatGPT plugin called Eraser. I have not even taken the effort of making one arrow or one element or one rectangle or one icon. This is ready made from a plugin called Eraser, depending upon the text prompt that I fed in. That is the age of marketing that we're living in today, ladies and gentlemen. So you need to be very, very, very acquainted with what is happening in the world today with respect to AI and automation. All right, so let's try and look at the whole situation. There is a user who clicks on the Google ad, and the user visits the landing page, does nothing, comes back, and then there's a remarketing ad campaign that gets triggered. Then the user raises an inquiry, articles are being sent, user makes a purchase. It's a very, very simple situation that is demonstrated with zero effort from me in terms of designing this image, right? Now, let us look at where AI comes into play and where marketing automation comes into play, and let's actually see if there's an overlap between both of them. Now, the first thing that you see, user clicks on the Google ad. AI is used in programmatic advertising in trying to determine what is the ideal uh, to optimize the ad placement for him. So AI comes into play here. The second step, where the user visits the website and exits, AI analyzes the user's behavior on the website, such as the pages he visited, the duration that he spent, his user behavior, and then this analysis is fed into the insights, which can be used for optimizing your conversions going forward for all the ad campaigns. This example or this particular user serves as a user persona for the system to form to have a methodology to form and to get an idea about the behavior of certain users. Then remarketing ads get served. This is a clear cut situation where marketing automation did some workflows, executed some workflows, put users into a remarketing segment where ads are automatically served to that segment. This is where marketing automation comes into play. Then AI can optimize at the same stage. AI can optimize who sees the retargeting ads and when by analyzing data on the user behavior and their engagement. So this is a beautiful marriage between AI and marketing automation. User raises an inquiry. When the user makes an inquiry on the website, AI analyzes the content of the inquiry and provides a relevant response. Now, marketing automation is responsible for spitting out those automated emails at regular intervals to nurture him in the sequence. Again, AI and marketing automation come together to give the user a seamless experience of what is important for the lead to be nurtured and become a customer. Then you have educational workflows and articles that are being sent. AI can determine what articles might be relevant to the user, and marketing automation can execute that task of sending out these emails automatically. Finally, user makes a purchase. Marketing automation can track the user's journey from the article to the purchase, providing valuable data on the effectiveness of this marketing funnel. AI can now analyze this journey and optimize the future journeys so that this can be optimized at scale for all the potential visitors coming to the website. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how AI and marketing automation is beautifully getting are unifying to deliver a common goal, which is to close a customer and gain a conversion. I'm so happy, and let me reiterate the fact that this would have taken me a lot of time for me to draw this, to make a representation in terms of a data flow diagram or any other diagram. But these are just beautiful use cases of how plugins can in ChatGPT can define or redefine the way your marketing works today, well, not just in terms of content creation, but in terms of providing all-round solutions to marketers. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please hit me up, and then I would be able to make any specific videos that you desire. Until next time, my name is Casey. Ciao.